Hello everyone, welcome back to our project management with AppSheet series. Today's episode is all about views. No, not the view from your office window, but the AppSheet views. You know those different ways you can display your data in your app? So let's jump right in. In AppSheet, there are several view types available. The question is, which one do you choose? Well, that depends on what you want to display and how you want to display it. Let's break it down. Calendar view, perfect for displaying date-oriented data. Think project deadlines, scheduled meetings, or important milestones. Deck view is ideal for displaying multiple data items, each having a title, subtitle, and more brief info. A great choice for a project summary. Table view is just like your favorite spreadsheet. This view displays rows of data in columns, perfect for detailed data comparison. Gallery view is visually appealing view that displays data in grid of cards. It's ideal for displaying projects with images. Here we don't have the images, but if we have images, we will have a gallery as we have in our mobile. The detail view provides a comprehensive look at a single data item. Think of it as a magnifying glass for your project data. Map view have projects across various locations. This view plots your data on a map. It's all about geographic distribution. Chart view is a go-to view for visual data representation. We will use it to show project progress or revenue growth over time. Like if I want to see how many projects are started, how many projects are in progress, and how many projects are ended. So I will use this view. We will make a separate video on that, how to make charts and how to make the dashboard. We will discuss that in the next video. We have that dashboard view where we can combine multiple charts to have a final view of the dashboard. Form view is for data input. Use it when you need to add a new project or update existing project information. We can also use the form view when we click an action button. That will be discussed later as well. The onboarding view is perfect for tutorial or a walkthrough of your app. Use it to help new users get familiar with your app. And the final one is card view that offer a lot of customization. Like you can add the title. Here goes a title, subtitle. You can add a small image. You can add a large image as well. You can add a headers and subheader, a short description, some buttons, and all of this can be customized. Like on title, I want the project name. On subtitles, I want the status. For example, I want the status to go in here. We don't have any image in our current app. We can add here some description, note description. We can add the lead source here, for example. Similarly, we can add multiple things. We can convert it into a shorter view, only a photo, only a backdrop, or only a complete view. So it's all on our choice. And that's it for today, guys. Next time we will talk more about customization options for these views. So stay tuned. As always, if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Do you have any questions or thoughts? Share them in the comments below. See you in the next video.